Sui Blockchain has taken the Web3 world by storm, quickly becoming one of the most innovative and talked about chains in the space, and it's easy to see why. With lightning-fast transactions, ultra-low fees, massive scalability, and a developer-friendly toolkit, Sui is redefining what's possible for Layer 1 blockchain. So in this interview, I sit down with Sam Blackshear, co-founder and CTO of Miston Labs, to dive deep into how Sui is pushing the boundaries of Web3. We're going to explore the power of the Move programming language, Sui's groundbreaking architecture, their current challenges, and the exciting roadmap ahead. So if you want to understand the future of Web3 and Sui's place in it, this is one conversation you don't want to miss.